Yeah, on one of his videos, there's a video of him eating a bite of drywall.
That's awesome.
Apparently it wasn't that bad. I don't believe it.
4:26. It's a pretty okay time.
You speedrunning?
Trying to, like, I'm just doing low minutes, but I'm using time as a metric.
It's gonna take a billion years to learn. Okay, that pause didn't matter, because literally the only input you're doing there is holding left. So do not get on my ass about that. Leave it out. Don't. Oh, this is gonna take me fucking forever. I'm a moron.
I might be the worst player ever.
Nope.
Thoughts?
Nope. 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 Need to know the newspaper? No. You're not the worst.
Yeah, I am.
No.
Yeah. I took 11 hours on Meow FC. That's like worst material. It's like worst play material right there.
Cool.
Wait, I wonder if...
Okay.
Did it?
3 hours, 44, 24.
Okay then. Yeah, GG.
Wait, you beat it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I gotta beat Golden Room.
No. I'm taking my clear and I'm moving on, bruh. I'll
You gotta beat the debug room. Good luck.
No. I want to post this in my lifetime. I don't want my child. Oh, I was 2 deaths away from a cool death count. I want to pass this down my lineage and be like, you have to clear this room.